Let's make a new sprite. Mouse over choose a sprite and click on paint. And I'm going to call this fruit. In the fruit sprite, I'm going to click on costumes. And let's start dragging in our fruit sprites. So I'm going to go to choose a costume and click upload costume. I'm going to go to Fruit Ninja assets. And I'm going to click on banana not cut, press Ctrl, and click on apple not cut, and orange not cut, and watermelon not cut. And I'm going to delete costume 1. So now it should be in this order right here: apple not cut, banana not cut, orange not cut, and watermelon not cut. And I'm going to press upload costume again and click on bomb, and then upload costume again, and I'm going to click on apple cut, press Ctrl, click on banana cut, orange cut, and watermelon cut, and press open. So apple cut should be at the top like it is right here. Banana cut should be on the second one on below apple. Orange should be below banana, and watermelon should be below orange. So I'm going to go inside the code. I'm going to press variables and press make a variable. We're going to need 3 variables for this sprite only. One called x, one called y, and one called rotation. I'm going to hide these. So I'm going to go to events and drag out when I receive start game. I'm going to go to forever in control, wait, go to operators and drag out pick random 1 to 2 seconds. And I'm going to make a new variable for the sprite only called the number of fruit. I'm going to set number of fruit to pick random 1 to 4. Repeat number of fruit, go to pick random from -200 to 200, and y -170, and then set x to, I'm going to go to operators and drag out plus, pick random from -2 to 2. I'm going to drag out the times block, and in the first one I'm going to type -1, and in the second one I'm going to drag out the divided sign. I'm going to go to motion, drag out x position, and in the second divided y I'm going to type in 50. I'm going to go to variables and drag out set y to pick random from 22 to 25, and set rotation to pick random -3 to 3. Then switch costume from pick random 1 to 5 and create a clone of myself. Next, I'm going to drag out when I start as a clone. We want to show, and I forgot to drag out hide right here. Repeat until y position is less than 170. I'm going to go to variables and drag out change y by -1. Change x. I'm going to go to variables and drag out x, and change y by y. Then if we are touching color, I'm going to go to backdrops, press backdrops, and I'm going to click on the rectangle tool and select the color I want my slice to be, so a light blue color. And I'm just going to draw a square on the screen like that. I'm going to go to my slice sprite, and where it says set pen color to pink, I'm going to click on it and click on this button down here, and then click on my blue color. So it should be blue right now, the same color as here. And I'm going to go to my fruit sprite, click on if touching color. I'm going to click on that color, and then click on this on the light blue color. So now this should be light blue too. Now I can delete the square. So if we are touching the slice, if I'm going to go to operators and drag out equals 50, go to looks and drag out costume name, and if costume name is equal to bomb, then repeat 10, change size by 10, and change brightness by 10, broadcast end game, because we touched the bomb. If we touched a fruit, if I'm going to go to operators and drag out less than 50, if costume number is less than 5, then set rotation to pick random from -10 to 10, and switch costume to costume number. I'm going to go to operators, drag out plus, and drag in costume number plus 5. Then we want to make a new variable called score, and I'm going to leave it showed right here, and we want to change score by 1. And the last code for this is if costume number is less than 5, we want to change y by 10 and change this to 30, and repeat 10. I'm going to change this to repeat 3. We want to set brightness to 100, wait 0.1 seconds, set brightness to 0, and wait 0.1 seconds, and then delete this clone. And right before this, I want to drag out broadcast end game. Oops, no. I'm going to drag this and put it under change y by 30 and broadcast new message called the missed fruit. So now I'm going to press play, and I'm going to click and wait for my fruit to spawn. So there goes the bomb, and I can slice through my fruit now, and when it misses, you can see the fruit stays at the bottom and tells me what I've missed. In the next tutorial, we're going to be making a game over screen and add more sound effects to the game.